Broadcasting from Mega Manila and streaming on the World Wide Web. We are Crusaders Broadcasting System, DWAD.
1098 AM.
Now, radio. Up next on DWAD, tinig ng kanyang pagbabalik. Broadcasting from Mega Manila and streaming on the World Wide Web. We are Crusaders Broadcasting System, DWAD.
1098 AM.
Now, radio.
Three-day revival this June. Receive the crown of glory.
Ikaw ay pagpapalain ng Diyos para magiging pagpapala sa iyong pamilya, pagpapala sa mga kamag-anak mo, pagpapala sa buong barangay mo.
Join us on this remarkable occasion, mirroring us at the back of Jesus Christ at Armageddon. Finally, there is laid up for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will give to me on that day, and not to me only, but also to all who have loved his appearing. 2 Timothy chapter 4, verse 8. Mark your calendars on June 20th, Friday, 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. June 21st, Saturday 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. June 22nd, Sunday 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. at Biyaya ng Diyos Christian Fellowship, 2nd floor, Medicor, Building, Ortigas Avenue, Green Hills, San Juan. And get ready to receive your miracle and breakthrough. So don't miss what he has in store for you.
Ng Diyos, napakabuti ng Diyos, tiwala at laging kagalakan, katuwaan tanging sa Diyos lamang. O Diyos aming Ama, dakilat, napakabuti, at ang buwan ng Hunyo ay